Hold on. Okay, go. Not that it would have mattered because he went anyway. We're swimming in the middle of the river. And I think I have an earache. Or it could just be my jaw. I haven't figured it out yet. Where's Kate? Oh.
Yo, we just got to step right over me right now.
Or you use her for catfish.
She sure does stink enough.
Crap. Is that like hammy ones?
Why don't you just jump in and swim and get it?
Zach, please.
Get it.
Alright, wait. I'm gonna film you. Okay. I got your butt. Go. Alright, 1, 2.
Chicken pool.
But that's really scary. Like, what if your foot gets caught in there? You break your ankle and then die and have to go to the hospital.
Shark beavers will eat you.
No, it's beaver sharks.
Beaver sharks will eat you, whatever. I hope you get eaten by a beaver shark.